on, guys? Just finished a crazy session out here at Port Mansfield. Topwater action was on fire this morning, and then that JRC Kickertail proved to be the key today. My boy,
that greenback was trick.
Boy Harvey, Southern Pesca, Kickertail, greenback, then Pink Passion was the deal. So stay tuned, guys. Here we go. Come on, baby. First one, little one on that Joey's custom. Thank you for playing, little guy. Where your mama at? Over there. Topwater action. Nice topwater action right there. A nice red there. Oof.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's got the hot hand here. Se miraba. Otro close one. No me está chiquito. Se miraba más grande. Well, thank you for playing. Hablamos with the guys. Harvey, Caso. Okay, pues so. Camarada Freddy. Here for the release here. Oh, bye-bye. That one really didn't even blow it up. Just took it down for a ride. But the smaller profile did work. Top water activate. Ahí viene, ahí viene. Hijo, eso vienen para. Mira, 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 mira. Yeah. Oh. Who was out there with that plug? Double blow ups there. I don't know what's wrong with these reds right now. They're smashing it. Going with the color of the summer. Pink. Going with that Stinky Pinky. No, así como le pegó el corrió. Stinky Pinky. Nice red. It's a nicer red. Got some grass. Got some grass on it. Bye-bye. Yes, sir. Buena. Thank you very much, sir. Joey's custom base right there. The Pinky. Stinky Pinky. Nice little trouty. Stinky Pinky in the house. Está buena. Welcome back, sir. Ahora sí, ya, you can have one. ¡Epa, compadre! Camarada, Southern Pescas in the house. What you got going on in there, son?
We got a, I think it's called greenback, right? JRZ.
Ooh, JRZ choked it. Greenback. Greenback's in the house. Woo! Ho ho! Oh, right into the net. Release, sir, release. Let me get you up in here. We want to go ahead and release you guys, not go back into the net. There you go, fella. Bye-bye. Ah, Harvey's on fire right now. That greenback is doing some work right there. Looks like a better one there, sir. Come on, Harvey, come on. Greenback, Kickertail, whooping some butt. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Southern Pescas in the house. Get a boy, Freddy's in the house. Míralo, no. Stinky Pinky. JRZ lures are starting to fire up here. It's about 11 o'clock. Using that greenback. Those new Kickertails, JRZ. And Harvey got with first keeper red of the day.
First keeper, man. Hopefully we can run some more.
Otro? Hijo, eso. Yeah. Está cerquitos aquí. Mono, give me a greenback. Woo! Harvey is on fire. También keep a la bolsa. That greenback Kickertail is working. About a 24 right there. Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Woo! Harvey has two nice reds within 10 minutes.
One more, baby.
One more and limit out.
One
more time. Míralo. Damn, Harvey's on fire. That greenback Kickertail is whooping some butt. Wicked, first cast on Wicked. Hijo, se zafó. Ah, chiquito ese. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Nice red. I'm gonna keep it in here. Wicked. That Kickertail. RV's on again. RV's on again. Been on fire. RV's on fire. Then we found them again. We went about 15 minutes without catching a fish, and that's back-to-back cast right there.